Hi, this is Bill from HobloCloud, and I've got some important updates to share with you today. So we've just released a new version of the Chrome MP3 recorder. It's now available on the Google Chrome Web Store. This update is important because starting July 2025, Google will stop supporting native Chrome apps, and that means the old version of our app will no longer work. So the new version is a Chrome extension and includes all the same features that you've loved over the past few years. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install this new version and then walk you through on how to use it. So begin by starting, visit our website at hoblocloud.com. And then if you scroll down the page, you'll see a link that takes you to the Chrome Web Store. So click on that link. And here we are in the Chrome Web Store. And then just click that Add to Chrome button. Now, if you ask for permissions for your microphone or to manage your downloads, please accept that or add to extension. And that's it. It's now been installed. So super simple. To access it, you just click this puzzle piece icon, and there it is. You click it, up there it goes. You can move it. It floats in the window. Now, if you want, you may want to click this and pin it so that you can easily access it in the future. So there it is. You just have to click that orange button, and there we go. The Chrome MP3 recorder pops right up. So it's really that simple. Okay, so now if you don't have access to the Chrome store, you're going to need help from your Google Workspace administrator. So it's very easy for them to add this app. They just need to open up their Google Admin Console, go to Devices, Chrome, Apps and Extension, okay? And then once they're there, if they go to Users and Browsers, and then make sure they're in the right domain, they just have to click this little plus sign, go to the Chrome Web Store, type in Chrome Web MP3, there it is. Bring that up. They should see a little summary like that. And then select it. And there you've got it added. Now, one thing I would suggest as well that they do is to go in under this installation policy and make it a force install. That way, all Chromebooks that are in that organizational unit will get this app. So very simple. So that's really it. Those are the two ways. So now let me spend a minute on how to use it. So here you go. I pinned it, so it's just sitting right there. You just click that to launch it. You can move it out of your way. And to record, you just simply hit the record button. There you can see a count up timer. You can see the recording controls. It gives you a little volume meter. Which is handy. It lets you know it's recording. So if you want to pause it for a second or more, you just hit that pause button. And if you want, you can hit play here and it'll play back the recording, and you can fast forward to wherever you want to play it back and play it back at any point. And then when you're done, you can just dismiss that and keep recording. So now we just picked right up where we were before, and away we go. So now let's say you're done. You can just hit that stop recording button. It might take a few seconds to do the conversion to the MP3, so you can see that's going on right now. When it's done, you'll see a button that says Save Recording. You click that Save Recording button, and that will bring it up on your Chromebook to so wherever you can save it. So right now, by default, it's in the Downloads folder, but you can change that. So if you're set up with Google Drive, you could go to My Drive, and then I think I have some Google Classroom set up here, so I could go right here, and then I can save it. I can give it a name, and then just save it. And now the download's complete. I could show it. I guess I could show it in folder here just to show you where that is. So this is the one I just saved. If I wanted to play it back, I could just click it and play it back. Or if I want to record another file, I can just go right back here and hit record and start recording again. Pause it again, continue recording, pause it again, stop it, same process. So that's it. That's really all I wanted to share with you today. I'll be posting more videos soon, including how to use the app with Google Classroom. So in the meantime, again, just visit hoblacloud.com or go to the Chrome Web Store and search for ChromeMP3, download and install that extension, and start using it. So I hope this was helpful. I'd love to hear your feedback. Please leave me a review on the Chrome Web Store. And thanks again, and I'll be talking to you again real soon. Bye for now.